We're part of the tribe now. Being members since 2019, we could finally represent young cruisers with a brand new burgee. Fly it high, fly it proud, just like the new Kite adventures that were about to happen. There is a first time for everything, and with the YouTube video in hand, nothing could stop these guys from trying.
Yeah, let it go. All right, now. Power band, let it rip.
Bear with us. We're trying really hard, I promise. I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel. Finally got a little bit of service, a little bit of power on the computer. He's trying to get some stuff done. It's been long. I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. Actually, Wi-Fi's out right now. Either way, I'm trying to upload a video to YouTube, and Cody's going fishing. Millie's been teething, and it's a struggle. We haven't had decent Wi-Fi in like 2 or 3 weeks, and I haven't posted a video. It's been ready for 2 weeks, but it hasn't been uploaded, and it's kind of annoying. Bear with us. We're trying really hard, I promise. Oh man, the day where, Millie can entertain herself more will be the light of my J. Anyway, you guys join Cody on a fishing trip. After a successful fishing trip, it was time for some of us to try something new. Our friends on sailing vessel Lost had some kites that wanted air, and after a short intro video from the tube, they headed out with high hope.
Is that what you're about to do? Okay. Yeah, alright. Good to know. Gotta document it, man. Let's see here.
I mean, you can stitch it.
Still got the material, you just need sticky tape. I think we have. Free at this point. Yeah. Oh, we're ready. Put the board on. Oh boy. All right. Okay, all right. Yeah, let it go. He's up. I don't know. Here, dude. Do you need some help, or are you just gonna rip it? Kiki ripped it too.
You can rip it. Watch your
Oh
back.
boy, here he comes.
Oh boy.
Big load up. Big load up.
Come on, come on. Oh, no.
You got it.
No, hold up. You got it. You got it.
Pull it.
Pull your left. Pull your left. There you go.
Oh boy.
See chicken loop out again. Well, this locks.
That must be like a.
This is locked.
That might need to attach to you.
No. You see it in a YouTube video? 'Cause-
Hey, I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be attached. All right, here we go. Ooh, all right. Now double in the middle. Yep, double middle. Hold it. I can yank that platform. Dude, that's most of our way. Double. Yep. Yeah. All right. Now. You got that. So, yeah, this is good move. Yep. No, I don't know if I hook that to you. This guy in.
Uh-oh, where's the board at?
Hey, we need a board. He's gone.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. There you go. There's the power, man. Exactly how that's done. There he is. Power, man. Let it rip. There you go. Here we go. That's what I'm going for, actually.
Yep, keep on going with that. Nice. Now let that go.
I see where it's about to happen.
Power band. Okay, let her out. Oh, that was a good drag for me too.
That was good.
This is more of a like an intuition sport than like a really like looking at things. You just don't even look at it. Just, you know what I mean?
Let it
Just feel it inside of you.
Yeah. You ready?
I'm ready.
Well, everything's
All right, you gotta get.
Oh. This is good being offshore because the wind's moving out here.
Oh, I think he's got it here. Look at him. He's doing shit on purpose, it looks like.
He definitely knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
No, he's got the board. Oh, is it floating away? Hey, dinghy! Dinghy! Alex!
Or buy a lot of
And
stuff.
after an afternoon of what seemed like one of those best days ever kind of deals, I got hired for the patch. They managed to keep the other one intact, and after a couple of dinghy launches, they called it quits and headed back to call it a win. Also, by the way, my patching held.
Trying to make a horn out of this conch shell. See how that goes. What are you doing? No. We are in Black Point, and we've been here with a bunch of young cruisers. They're all out for the weekend. They're gonna come back here on Sunday. Corey and Alex are friends on Wild Intrepid. They've made it to West Palm. They're gonna cross over here this weekend, hopefully, and make their way south. And yeah, it's a good day. My Wi-Fi box broke yesterday, but even that, someone had a spare Wi-Fi box on board. Even that got fixed. Nothing can break me now. And you have become a little bit of a punk. Yeah.
Anyway, see you guys next time, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more adventures and life on board. We wouldn't have it any other way than with the world at our keel. And if you want to get more real-time updates and behind-the-scenes scoops, check out our Patreon page. We would absolutely love your support. Bye-bye!
Pretty cute when she's mad though. Everything good? Everything good? You didn't want to cry on camera? Yeah, it's a good job. Maybe that's the solution. We just need to film me when you do something wrong. Alright. Alright, so bye-bye. Bye-bye. You practicing? Let me see. Let me see. You gonna blow the horn? Sun's setting.